December 25 is a joyous celebration of Christmas worldwide. Did you know that in Babylonian Empire, in 605 to 538 BC, they were called Paganalia, Bacchanalia, and Saturnalia? Did you know that the word Nalia is from Chaldean term festival? So the word Paganalia meaning to say festival of pagans. Bacchanalia is festival of Bacchus, and Saturnalia is festival of Saturn. The word Saturn has a gematria number of 666. 666 is a serial number of Satan. So when we say Saturnalia, festival of Satan, when massive conversion of Christianity, they were absorbed all pagan celebrations, and they called it Christmas.